What's up YouTube, this is QwaZeh. This is just a quick requested tutorial on how to add like a boiling crash noise to a clip. So first of all, well, this is for PC. I'm doing it on a Mac because I got Parallels desktop. Well, I'm going to show this to you on Sony Vegas Pro 10. So first of all, you obviously want to insert your clip that you're going to want to use. I'm just going to quickly add my crop to it. So that should crop over there in a sec. Alright, okay, it hasn't for some reason. Alright, okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to right click it, properties, disable resample and untick maintain aspect ratio. You don't have to do that, I'm just doing that because it's just like remove them black lines, it's spread it out a bit. Right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my colour correction. I've been using it in like my past few videos. So it's Studio RGB. Use that one. Right, so now I've got my custom colour curves. That's the one I had before, that's the one I use now, my past recent videos. Just drag that on. So now that's what it's done, it's like sort of yellowy, a bit more orange. I'll just take this to preview half, just so you can see a little bit more. Right, anyway, yeah, we know it's a little bit laggy, but we'll get over it. So now what we're going to do is add a sharpen. Just add that on there. I set mine to 200. And if you all wanted to know my colour curves, I set mine individually for the colour I've got now. So you can see how they're all done there. See all these little marks, that's how you change them. Just have a quick look at them. You might have to pause it to have a look at them if you want to get it like mine. Alright, and make sure you're looking at the colour. Alright, okay, that's that. No need for another colour correction tutorial there. Also, if any of you are interested, I've also got Twixtor in our Sony Vegas, so if you want a tutorial on that, leave a comment. So now, an important bit. We're gonna wanna import. How do you import without drag? That's the one. We're gonna wanna import the noise. The link will be in the description, so make sure you download it. Right, so just import that. Okay, so now this is in, just drag it onto a new audio layer. Let's take this up a bit. You want to drag it to the point in which you hit the shot, obviously. So I'm just going to take it. I want to see when the bullet's fired. I know obviously there's a bit of noise there, so you can sort of tell. But it's also reactions as well, so I'm not too sure. I'm just gonna double check. That looks like the hit marker there actually, so yeah, the big one was the loud reactions. And we're just about to see the bullet from the gun. And we just want to get it quite even with the sound that's already there, really. I'm just going to play it and find out. Alright, okay, so that was reaction. I'm just going to do it according to the hit marker, which is, I'm going to take it one back from there. So I'm going to do it there. I'm going to drag this noise to about there, zoom out a bit, and I'm going to crop this down to get rid of most of it's just a lot of fade, so it's still quite long. It's a lot better with slow motion clips, because when you slow mo clip it sort of sounds a bit like that anyway. So we're going to take it about there and then fade it. Now let's listen to that. I would put it about there. Let's have a look at that. Alright, okay, I'll drag that out a tad more, and that's pretty much it. So, we'll just play that one more time. Okay, so, yeah, that was the tutorial on how to add a boom shot effect to your clips. So, I'm going to leave the final video after this. So, thanks for watching, and I'll have some more tutorials soon. So, leave a comment in the description of what sort of tutorials you want. Thanks for watching.